Hello again, and welcome to our second lesson. Today we are going to talk about the different types of cryptocurrencies. On our previous lesson, we talked about what are cryptocurrencies and the history behind cryptocurrencies. So let's dive right in on our second lesson. The first type of cryptocurrency we have is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first and the most well-known cryptocurrency. I guess most of you already know about Bitcoin, or it was among the first cryptocurrencies that we've ever heard of. It remains the most valuable and widely used cryptocurrency. As the current market cap, Bitcoin holds more than 68% of the total cryptocurrencies market cap. This is based on the value. So the value of Bitcoin right now, or the Bitcoin in existence, and then you put together all the other cryptocurrencies, you find that Bitcoin covers more than 68% of that. So it has quite a huge share of the cryptocurrency market cap. The other cryptocurrencies we have are alternative coins, also known as altcoins. Altcoins are the other cryptocurrencies than Bitcoin. Examples include Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Many altcoins are based on the same basic framework as Bitcoin, but have modifications to their underlying coding structure to achieve different functionalities. So, for example, for Bitcoin, it, it takes 30 minutes to confirm one transaction. So, if you send one transaction right now, if you send some Bitcoin to to the other person, it will take at 30 minutes for the transaction to be confirmed. But with the new update of the Bitcoin network, that is the Lightning Network, it's cheaper and it takes less time, way less, like a minute or so to confirm one transaction. So when you check out these alternative coins like Ethereum, you find that they can process a huge number of transactions per minute, and they have different fees, and the utility is different from what Bitcoin offers. So hence why alternative coins were created, maybe to cater for the inefficiencies of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is not perfect as is. Other types of cryptocurrencies we have are tokens. Tokens are a type of cryptocurrency that represent a particular asset or utility, which reside on their own blockchain. That means they exist independent of, the altcoins and the Bitcoin network, and represent an asset or utility. They they are often used as a part of a company's decentralized application, also known as DApps. So these tokens are basically what a company can create. So a company might decide to create a utility, maybe it offers real estate, and it decides to create a token whose value may be tied on maybe how the business is performing or the number of real estates or assets they have. So these are known as tokens because their price is tied on an asset. But when it comes to Bitcoin and altcoins, their value is not tied to a real asset or something. It's just based on demand and supply. And token can represent anything from loyalty points to real world assets like real estate. And this concludes our second lesson. Please stay tuned for our next lesson where we are going to cover and talk about how cryptocurrencies work. Uh, Please stay tuned for that, and thank you.